Fulton County has officially filed Case 26C V-000760. This is a civil in rem forfeiture. The state isn't suing a person here, they are suing the property. The defendant is a 2021 Mercedes-Benz G550 VIN ending in 9713. The state's goal is simple. They claim this car is the direct product of racketeering and they want permanent ownership. The state is following a specific money trail. They allege the purchase of this G-Wagon was funded by assets scammed from Gayle Bickham, including $90,000 in cash and a vehicle trade-in. The car was titled to Nestos Elite Private Security LLC. Because the company is the owner of record, the court issued a summons to its registered agent, Brianna Jordan, at addresses in Gainesville and Norcross. They have 30 days to respond, or the state takes the car by default. Data check. The summons lists Gayle Bickham as an interest holder at an address in Sandy Springs. Even though the state identifies her as the victim, she now has 30 days to file a formal answer in civil court. She has to fight the government to prove she has a right to the value of that car, or she loses her interest in the asset forever. Now look at the criminal side. Case 24SC001723. Earnest Williams is facing a 39-count indictment that includes RICO charges. The defense challenged evidence from a vehicle search, but Judge Eric Dunaway denied that motion on September 4th, 2025. The trial court later entered a certificate of immediate review, but on February 19, 2026, the Georgia Court of Appeals dismissed the application as untimely. But now we know what happened next. The Georgia Court of Appeals dismissed Earnest Williams' application on February 19, 2026. Why? Because the court said the certificate for immediate review came too late. Under Georgia law, that certificate had to be entered within 10 days of the order being appealed. The trial court denied the motion to suppress on September 4th, 2025, but the certificate for immediate review was not entered until January 28th, 2026. That was way outside the deadline. So the Court of Appeals said it had no jurisdiction and threw the application out. So here is the bottom line. In civil court, the state is moving to take the 2021 Mercedes-Benz G550 through case 26C V000760. That paperwork names Nestos Elite Private Security LLC, Brianna Jordan, Gayle Bickham, and Earnest Williams across the summons. In the criminal case, 24SC001723, Earnest Williams is still facing the larger prosecution, and the attempted appeal over the vehicle search did not stop that case. The Court of Appeals dismissed it. So now, the civil forfeiture case is moving on one track, and the criminal case is moving on the other, with the same names and the same vehicle showing up in both.